The fate of 3 former Minneapolis police officers will soon be in the hands of a jury after both sides delivered closing arguments in the federal civil rights case. The prosecution making the case that these officers knew George Floyd needed medical help and didn't act, arguing that defendant Tu Tao stood for 6 minutes and stared at Officer Chauvin and George Floyd, and J. Alexander King was afraid to speak up to Chauvin despite checking Floyd's pulse twice and not finding one. Thomas Lane was holding down Floyd's legs, choosing not to stop the horror unfolding right under his nose. Legal experts say the prosecution has to prove willfulness, that the officers intended to break the law.
How difficult of a case is this for the prosecution?
This is a tough case for the prosecution because the government has to prove what was going on in the mind of these 3 defendants, that they knew that Officer Chauvin was acting illegally.
All 3 defense attorneys told jurors their clients didn't know Chauvin was committing a crime, and they deferred to Chauvin because he was the senior officer. Yesterday, Officer Lane testified that he did everything he could to help Floyd, even asking twice if they should roll him over. Lane said, "I remember Mr. Chauvin saying he is good like this when I said I was concerned." While Tao told jurors he was relying on the other 3 officers to care for Floyd's medical needs while he controlled the crowd. But it will be up to the jury to decide if the prosecution proved its case. Megan Fitzgerald, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.